The way you're looking at me right now, girl, I know what's coming. You got your eyes fixed on me, and I know what that look means. You've been waiting far too long for you and I to be alone. I can't hide from you, girl, anymore. You got me cornered, make you move. It's time to bring the heat. So light me up, light me up. Strike a match, girl, send me.
Welcome to GrowMad, your website for everything allotment and kitchen garden related. If GrowMad doesn't have it, you probably won't be needing it. GrowMad was conceived out of frustration for not being able to find information on growing your own from just one website or a single book on the bookshelf. But above all, GrowMad is dedicated to my father, Ronnie. What he didn't know about growing your own isn't worth bothering with. He was always my North Star, my guiding light, and always set me straight if I lost course with my growing endeavours. I miss you, Dad, but I know you still have an eye out for me. There are many great vegetable growing websites out there, but we plan to create an artisan multi-seeded site that stands out from the many white sliced alternatives. GrowMad is free to use, free today, free forever, and is quite simply an eat as much as you like vegetable gardening buffet, a cornucopia of vegetable gardening delights. We sell nothing but offer much and ask for nothing in return other than your unconditional support. We have done a lot of what doesn't work to find out what does. It includes a product directory with 190 categories, 6,500 plus suppliers, and literally thousands of products. Select a category, choose a supplier, and buy from them directly if you so choose. We have a seed company directory with hundreds of seed companies in the UK and as many overseas suppliers listed. We have our own science department overseen by Claire, our very own veg plot techie and nutritionist, covering a whole range of fascinating topics. Our growing guides cover a full range of vegetable subjects from A to Z. You can select alphabetically or by family group for cultural guidance. GrowMad has a veg plot calendar offering a list of essential jobs by month, as well as guidance on what you could be sowing, planting and harvesting throughout the year. We have our own book club full of recommended reading and a jargon buster to assist you with those horticultural terms that you may not be familiar with. And this is just a small snapshot of what we have to offer, with more being added every single day. So why don't you let GrowMad take you from the forecourt of vegetable gardening and transport you to the sunlit uplands of kitchen garden utopia? Is it worth all of the effort? Too right it is.